guys, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So I have a CVS haul for you guys. So you guys have told me numerous times that you prefer this little sit down chat haul type video. And here is the man that I love the most, my husband right here. Okay, so let's start talking about some of the CVS deals. So Nyx's is on a spend 20, get $10 in extra care bucks. So I recently did this to my hair. So if you didn't know, if you have color treated hair, you need to be careful and you need to not use a shampoo that has sulfate in it. So I was looking high and low in CVS trying to figure out what shampoo I was going to pick out. And if you're unsure, all you need to do is look on the back of the ingredients and just read the ingredients. And what you want to look out for if you have color treated hair is you don't want to use anything that has sulfate in it. So this is the shampoo that I picked out. It's from the Nyx's line. So it's the Color Assure. And I even texted this to my hairstylist and she gave me the thumbs up for this. So she gave me the thumbs up for the Color Assure plus the conditioner. But where I was confused at is there's sulfate in the conditioner. So is the sulfate in the conditioner okay? She says it was okay, but L'Oreal has a line, it's called the L'Oreal Everpure, and they have a line where they have sulfate-free shampoo, conditioner, and stylers. But I didn't pick that up because I wanted to wait until it went on a deal because there are Ibotta rebates right now for the L'Oreal Everpure, and then this printed out for me, it's a 5 off 20 CRT. Which could be stacked with a 4 off 18 CRT. So I'm not going to try the L'Oreal until we get an extra care buck deal. I need to watch the Llewellyn stop and watch video, but for the time being, this worked. So I had a $5 extra care buck from last week, and then I also had a 4 off 18 CRT that I paid. So the shampoo bottle right here was $15.29, and then the small conditioner was $5.19. So I used the $5 off extra care bucks I had from last week, and then I also used that 4 off 18. So I paid $12.76, but then I earned back $10 in extra care bucks, which then I rolled to purchase the groceries. So I went in there because I needed to get a few groceries, but if I can get something that's going to produce an extra care buck to then carry over to my groceries, that is how I do CVS. So what I picked up was 2 cans of SpaghettiOs because you guys know my husband eats like a toddler. So these SpaghettiOs with meatballs is $1.79. But if you go with the regular can without meatballs, you save 10 cents. So the can without meatballs is $1.69. So my husband likes the can with the meatballs. My daughter Scarlett hates meatballs, so I got her without. So I got 2 cans of the SpaghettiOs.
I think the meatballs are worth a dime.
Yeah, I think the meatballs are worth a dime too. 10 cents for meatballs. Get a little protein. So the next thing I picked up is the Fruity Pebbles. So these guys are on sale for $1.99, and there's a 15-cent rebate back on Ibotta when you buy one, and it's a limit of 5, I think. And then to go with that, I got some marshmallows because Scarlett has a little class party on Halloween, so I'm gonna make Fruity Pebble Rice Krispie treats, or I might even actually form them into balls. We'll see, and it'll be kind of like rainbow pumpkins. That's a thought. Maybe I'll do that. I don't know, rainbow balls, what do you guys think? Or should I just stick to no, I'm just gonna do the regular Rice Krispie treats and, you know, not create extra work for myself. But yes, I'm gonna go with the Fruity Pebbles. And the marshmallows were $2.15. And then I also picked up a half gallon of lactate milk because Sawyer is lactose intolerant, so we picked this up. So my final cost after my $10 extra care buck that I earned from the Nyx's, I paid $3.15, but final cost is going to be $3 because I'm going to submit 15 cents to Ibotta for the Fruity Pebbles. So if you are not signed up with Ibotta, you definitely need to. I'm going to have a link below in the description box. If you want to sign up, you're going to get a free $10 when you submit your first receipt. So it's kind of a no-brainer. Get, you know, free money for things you're already buying. And then I'm going to be submitting my receipt to Fetch Rewards. I will earn bonus reward points when I submit my receipt through Fetch for the Campbell's product. So if you buy Select items on their brand list. Fetch will give you bonus points. So I also went and did some cosmetic deals. So I did this separately because I do my cosmetic deals separate from my household deals because I like to split it up because I don't want the family money paying for makeup. So I did this separately. So I did the Wet n Wild deal. So Wet n Wild is on a spend 10, get $7 back in extra care bucks. So I found something new, and this is a loose highlighting powder. So I have never tried this, so I'm actually just gonna open it up and let you guys know what it looked like. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what this looks like, and it is beautiful. But a little bit's gonna go a long way. But this is what the highlighter looks right here. So you can use this as, you know, a highlight on your face. But this might also be really pretty as a pigment on your eyes. So next thing I picked up was the Wet n Wild Color Icon Pigment. So this is in the color Carol. Oh, that's cute. Like caroling. That's cute for the holidays. So this must be like a holiday launch. So this was $3.99. Oh, look at that little, like, I love that. Look at the packaging right there. There's like a barrier to make sure it doesn't go everywhere. I love that. Good job, Wet n Wild. Okay, so I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit. So this pigment is meant for the eyes. Wow. Okay, it's like the same color as the highlighter, basically. There's a little bit more gold in here. So you probably could get away with just using this powder right here for the same exact color. So the I'm So Lit highlighting powder and the Carol eye pigment is pretty much the same. So if I were you, I would go for a different color. Then you can use this on your face and your eyes. So total came to $10.98, and then I paired it with the Nyx deal. So the Nyx deal is spend 20, get 10. So you guys asked me to try out the eyeshadow base, which I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna compare it with the MAC Paint Pot, which I already have. So the eyeshadow base was $6.99, and I actually bought 2 of them because I got one for my neighbor next door. So I bought 2 of them. And then I also picked up this Nyx Eyebrow Shaper, and this is $8.99. So total was $22.97. So my total cosmetic purchase, because I did it all together, was $33.95. And then I had a 4 off 18 cosmetic CRT that applied. So I paid $29.95, and then I got back $20 in extra care bucks. So final cost is $9.95 for all 4 of these, plus an additional eyeshadow base, and I'm earning beauty. So I also want to take this time to share with you guys some things that I saw inside my CVS. So I just snapped a few pictures. So LA Colors is a cosmetic brand, and they came out with some eyeshadow palettes in like a gift set, and they also have a lip gloss set, and I saw them for $4.99. So I thought that that was a pretty nice price for some of those little gift sets. Also I saw I got a CRT for $4 off the Olay facial mist. So it's on sale for $9.99. And if you got that $4 CRT that printed, then it makes it $5.99, which is a nice price to try something new. We might have a P&G coupon that you can pair with it, but I don't get the P&G coupon, so I'm not sure. But yeah, that would be a nice CRT to use to try something new. Also, I got another 40% off one L'Oreal facial care coupon that printed from the Red Machine as well, and a 5 off 22 facial CRT. So you could pair both of those together with the spend 30, get 10. Also, what else did I see? They have the Wet n Wild, something else you could do. Their mascara has a mini little eye makeup remover. So that is a nice little bonus item that you can pick up and then get a little, eye makeup remover for free. That would make a great gift, gifting someone a mascara that comes with a eye makeup remover. So keep a lookout for those. I also talked to my CVS manager, and she told me what the clearance schedule is going to be. So come November 1st, CVS, the management wants to have everything Christmas set out by November 1st. So they're going to have 50% off of the candy bags that are marked Halloween. So the packaging that you see that has like Halloween packaging, but the regular packaging, they're not going to be clearancing that stuff out. But if it has anything Halloween like on the package, promoting Halloween, that's the stuff that's going to go 50% off, and it's going to be 50% off for 2 weeks, and then they're going to lower it. So CVS is going to start out 50%, and it's going to stay that way for 2 weeks. And if you guys want me to test these out for you guys on camera, let me know, and I would be happy to do that. And yeah, this is my CVS haul. So let me know that you have enjoyed it. Like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I have a giveaway going on in my Target in-store video. So if you have not watched that, you definitely want to see how you can be entered to win my giveaway. So I will talk to you guys all later. Have a fantastic Monday. And again, send me photos of what your kids are going to be for Halloween, because I want to see all the kids in their Halloween costume. And I want to see you in Halloween costume. If you are dressing up for Halloween, I want to see it. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.